Over the past 10 years, robotic surgery has become more common in operating rooms across the country. Used mostly in urology and gynecology departments, robotics are now finding a place in plastic surgery. Dr. Jesse Selber, an assistant professor of plastic surgery at MD Anderson Cancer Center, is revolutionizing breast cancer reconstruction with the Da Vinci technology.
I started using it in 2008 as a resident to develop some of these techniques and really have been the person driving the application in plastic surgery. That being said, there's a huge amount of enthusiasm for robotics and plastic surgery.
Typically, in this type of surgery, a large incision is made in the patient's back to harvest the latissimus dorsi muscle. The muscle is used to create a new breast after a mastectomy. With the robot, Dr. Selber doesn't have to cut the patient's back, making the recovery time much quicker.
The robotic procedure involves an approach to the axilla, the armpit, through a short incision, and it makes use of the optical and precision capabilities of the machine to gain access to the muscle without the back incision. And that's the fundamental difference.
Hey, how you doing?
The shorter downtime appeals to 40-year-old breast cancer patient Menda Williams.
I wanted a quick recovery. I wanted to heal fast, and I wanted to have a minimal amount of scarring. So this option proved to be something that would work best for me.
Dr. Selber says 15 patients have undergone this new technique so far. And once more doctors are trained, the sky's the limit.
The robot can be used in a lot of areas in plastic surgery. This is just one of them. I also use it in microsurgery to connect very small blood vessels, and its enhanced precision and 3D optics really lend itself to a lot of the things that we do.
For more information, visit mdanderson.org. I'm Dr. Manny, Fox News.